So here we have to find SCF, highest common factor of three numbers. Okay, so before we find SCF of all the three numbers, first we find SCF of these two numbers. So how we find SCF using Euclid's division lemma? We have to divide bigger number by smaller number and then find quotient remainder, and then by using Euclid's lemma we have to write the bigger number as A is equal to BQ plus R in this form. So we divide smaller number 7378 by this number to bigger number 92,690. So how we divide? So let us take 7378 and we divide 92,692. So there are 4 digits, so we consider 4 digit. First is 7, here is 9. So if we take 7 ones are 7, so we can multiply by 1. So that is 7378. So 9, we always subtract this. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now 16 minus 7 is 9. Then 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, this is the remainder. Now we carry this 0 here. So it is 18,910. Now there are 4 digits here, and here there are 5 digits. So if we take 7 2s are 14, and here it is possible. Or if you take 7 into 3, that is 21, that is not possible. So we multiply by 2. So 7378 into 2s are, that is 14,756. So if we subtract this, so 10 minus 6 are 4, again 11 by 6 are 5, then 9 minus 8 are 1, and here it is what, 8 minus 4 are 4. And if you observe this 4150, it is less than this, so that means this is remainder R, and this is what, this is Q. Okay, so we can write by using Euclid's division lemma, we can write 92,690 is equal to what, A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay, so what is B here? B is 7378 into Q is what, 12, plus R is what, 4154. Now here remainder is not 0, so we are not getting SCF here. Now we divide this 7378 by remainder. So if we divide this 7378 by 41554. So if you observe here, there are 4 digits and 4 2s are 8. So we not multiply by 2, we multiply by 1. So 4154. What is remaining? Here it is remaining is, it is 3224, and it is less than this, so it is remainder, and this is what, this is quotient. Okay, so we can write 7378 is equal to what, BQ. B is what here now, 4154 into Q. Q is what, 1, plus R is what, 3,224. Again here we are not getting remainder 0. So again we divide this 4,554 by this remainder, and then we again find Q and R. So let us divide 4,154 by 3,224. So let us divide. These are 4 digits, these are 4 digits. So 3 2s are 6, it is not possible by multiply by 2. So 3 1s are 3224. and what is remaining here? It is remaining is 930. So it is less than this, so it is remainder. This is quotient. Okay, so using Euclid's lemma, we can write this 4154 as is equal to what? B is now what? 3224. So that is B into Q is 1 plus R is 930. Again here remainder is not 0, so we are not getting SCF here. So now we divide this 3224 by 930 and then write as a in using Euclid's lemma. So we divide 3224 by 930. Okay, so there again there are 4 digits, here are 3 digits, and we know that 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, here 32, so 930 into 3s, that is equal to what? 390. So that is 2790. So what is remaining here? It is 4 is remaining. Now 12 9s are 3, so 12 8s are 4, and here it is 0. So it is what? It is remainder, and this is Q now. So we can write this 3224 as is equal to what? B is now what? 930. 9 into Q is what? 3 plus what? Remainder is 434. Here again we are not getting remainder as 0. So again we divide 930 by 434, and then we find Q and R. Now we divide 930 by 434. Okay, so 930 divided by 434. Here are 3 digits, here are 3 digits. We know that 4 1s are 4, here is 9, 4 2s are 8, here is 9, it is possible. 4 3s are 12, it is not possible. So we take here 2, and that is equal to what? 868. So if we subtract this, it is what? 2. Then here it is 13 minus 6, that is 6, and here 9 minus 9 is 0. So what is? It is a remainder. This is quotient. So we can write using Euclid's lemma, we can write 930 is equal to what? B is now 434 into Q is what? 2 plus R is what? 62. Again remainder is not 0. Now we divide this 434 by 62. Okay, so it is, here are 2 digits, here are 3 digits. So how we divide by 62? So, if you consider here 2 digits, so here are 2 digits, here are 3 digits. So if you consider first digit, 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. So we can multiply by 7, and it is equal to what? It is 4 1, and it is 434. So if we subtract this, we are getting remainder 0. Okay, and this is Q. So we can write 434 is equal to what? That is 62 into 7 plus 0. If you observe here, we are getting remainder as a 0. So that means SCF of what? SCF of 434 and 62 is equal to what? 62. That means SCF of 92690 and 7378 is equal to what? 62. Now we find SCF of what? This last value 7161 and 62, because already we are getting the SCF of these two. So we now find SCF of 7161, that is third value, and the SCF of the first two number. So to find SCF, now we divide the third number, that is 7161 by 62. So how we divide? Let us see. So now divide third number 7161 by the SCF of 2, that is 62. So if you divide by last number, that is what? 7161 divided by 62. How we divide? See here are two digits, so 62s are 62, and what is remaining? That is remaining is 9. Okay, here it is 6, carry on 6. So again 2 digits, 6 to the 12. So again we multiply by 62. So what is remaining? It is again 6 minus 2s are 4, that is 30. 9 minus 6 are 3. Again carry on 1. So now 3 digits, 62. So 6 5s are 30. So we multiply by 5. So it is what? 310. What is remaining then? 41 is what is remaining? It is 4 minus 3 is 31 is remaining. So that is what? That is the remainder, and that is the quotient. Okay. So we can write 7161 is equal to what? 62 into 115 b cube plus r is 31. Now here remainder is not 0, so again we divide 62 by 31. Okay, so if we divide 62 by 31, so we know that 31 2s are 62, that is 0. So we are getting remainder as a 0, and this is q. Okay, so we can write 62 as is equal to 31 into 2 plus 0. That means where remainder is 0, that means SCF of what? 62 and 31 is equal to what? 31. Or we can say that SCF of what? 7161, SCF of 7161 and 62 is equal to what? 31. And hence SCF of all the three numbers 92690, 7378 and 7161 is equal to what? Is equal to 31. This is your final answer. Okay, so to find SCF of three numbers, first we find what? SCF of first two numbers. Okay, and after finding the SCF of first two numbers, again we find the SCF of third value and